Alright, so you are new to Windows 11 and you do not want the same boring wallpaper to be there always. Although here you can see in my system right now there is a theme going on. So if you want to have a theme, then I just have created a video how you can install and get theme based on your preference in your Windows device for absolutely free. These custom themes are gorgeous and can really elevate your Windows 11 desktop experience. So do check out that video that I already have created and added in the description of this video. Alright, now let's come back to the topic where I'm gonna show you the easiest method of getting daily dose of new wallpaper in your Windows 11 desktop. And I'm not going to tell you about any third-party tool. Let's talk official. So there is a dedicated tool from Microsoft known as Microsoft Bing Wallpaper that will change your desktop wall every day. So let's see how we can get that. So simply press Windows button and type EDGE, which is nothing but your Microsoft Edge browser. Now here, what I'm gonna do next is I am going to type Bing Wallpaper download. Let's hit enter and there you go. Simply click on it. And of course, I'm gonna provide you the direct link of this app. So do not worry, you're gonna get the same app in the description of this video. Simply open that link and then you will be redirected to this page. Now click here on download Bing Wallpaper. And now there is a small setup that will run on the top. If you do not see anything getting downloaded or any listing, simply press Ctrl and J and you will able to see your download list. Now let me open this and let's run it by making double click. And this is the beauty of Microsoft products. When you install any Microsoft tool, you do not even require administrative access. So even if you are using a system where you have limited access, for example Office system, you still can download it. Now first thing first, what I'm gonna do here is I am going to uncheck this option, which is it is asking us if you want to make Microsoft Bing as your default homepage as well as search engine. I respect your choice, and so Microsoft also should. That's why they have given this option as optional. So simply turn it off. Now let's click here on continue and now click on finish. Now as soon as you hit finish, you will see that your desktop should have a different wallpaper. And if not, then you can go here in notification bar and click on Bing. Now you need to click on this option, which is enable daily refresh, and there you go. Now you're gonna see daily there will be a new different wallpaper. You can also make adjustment by going here in setting and then by customizing these options. For example, the daily wallpaper refresh is already enabled. There is another option of if you also want AI pictures to be used as a background, you can do that. And then there are plethora of further options that you can play with. So that's how guys you can set up a daily new wallpaper in your Windows 11. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Windows Nexus, where our objective is to elevate your Microsoft Windows experience.